Alright, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College, and I've been going through a series of video presentations on how to build a fairly simplistic BMI or body mass index calculator in several different programming languages. So far I've done 5 out of the 8 that you see here. I've created the BMI program in JavaScript, in jQuery, in C# as a console program, in C# as a GUI program, and in ASP.NET. I was going to do Android App Inventor next and then Java, but actually it makes more sense, I think, to do Java first. There's nothing, well, what is that? Chapter 4, BMI3. I guess I've already written it. All right, which is okay, but because I'm going to go back and I'm going to rewrite it. All right, so I'm going to come in here and I'm going to start up Eclipse. The system is a little slow this morning, as am I. Again, this will be written in Eclipse. When we get to the actual Android version, we're going to write that in version in Android Studio. All right, I'm going to close the welcome here, and I'm going to come into a file. New Java project. Project name will be BMI. The location, it looks like it'll be right on my desktop under Java. Hopefully I don't have one by that name. Finish. If I did, it should give me an error message anyway. It did not, which is always a good thing. So I come in here, and after I've created the project name, right mouse click, new package. The package name is typically reverse domain name, so mine will be edu.rankin.jpscott. Right mouse click on here, choose new class. I'm going to call that class BMI. It can have a main in it, that's fine, because I'm going to do everything in just one big file. Finish. I'm not going to have a driver, etc. in here. All right. So I'm going to have to change the size of that in just a minute, but I'm hoping that this is going to take, yes, good. So I've got my comments in here. All right. Now, what is that? Is that under project properties? Java editor? Doesn't look right. Window preferences for Java editor. Shooting in the dark here. It's been a while since I've done this too. So typing doesn't look too good. General. Thought there was a font in here someplace. All right, let's do it this way. How to change font size in Eclipse. All right, save the file, restart Eclipse, go to Preferences, General Appearance, Colors, and Fonts. Preferences. See any appearance. Looking for colors and fonts. It's all fine. I don't want to change any of that. Should be in here. know I've gone through this before. I don't know why I forget it all the time, but I do. I'm going to just take a couple minutes and pause the video, try to fix this. All right, we're going to see if I figured out what it was. Window, preferences, general, appearance, colors and fonts. Java. All right. Text editor font, etc. So that's set to 10 right now. So that is what we want to change. Edit. We'll make it 16. And I kind of like Arial. Although I don't think Arial actually shows that well on screen. So I'm thinking I might try a Times New Roman. Okay. Okay. Well, that's much better. I think you can read that better. We could even make it bigger than that. So window preferences, edit again. Let's bump it up to 20. All right, that's, I think, a pretty good size. So I put my comments in. Right now, this will be a Java program that calculates, displays a person's body mass index, BMI, same comments we've seen before. There is our, and again, I think we're going to be able to come in here in just the same way, say math.pow. I don't remember if that's upper or lowercase. Height 2. Okay, so I think that's going to work. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that'll work. Weight is in pounds, height is in inches. Again, my arbitrary values of 1296 for min and max height, 1 and 777 for the min and max weight. And I'm using the guidelines of the federal government for all this other stuff. All right, so we've got the package, I've got our class. I like to set up my own tabs and put them in about, I guess they've got the tabs here set to 2. Which I don't like, and I know I can change that, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is. All right, I'm going to be a little anal about this, kind of for completeness sake, so begin, not begin. So what I'm going to do outside of main is I'm going to declare and initialize the program constants. All right, so static, final, double. We won't even make that. Yeah, we'll make that a double. We'll call it under. We're going to set that equal to 25. Sorry, that's 18.5. That'll be for underweight. So that's the underweight upper limit. Static, final, double, over 25.0, and that'll be the overweight lower limit. All right. Then I'm going to have my all the other stuff. So I got to pause for a moment here. One of my office mates has come in, so he is left for a second, so I don't know how long I'll be able to keep doing this, so but I'll keep going as long as I can. All right, so I'm gonna have to pause again, sorry.